What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and look what I got behind me. A Rolls Royce, and we're doing a minor repair on the front bumper. Customer damaged the bumper, so he's not going through insurance. He's gonna pay out of his pocket, so we're gonna repair the bumper. I believe that bumper at the dealership is retail around $8,500, so super expensive bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that bumper. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I'm gonna repair the bumper, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's take a closer look at the damage. Boom, check this bad boy out. Such a beautiful car, but unfortunately little boo-boo happened, but it's not a big deal. We could easily repair this bumper, and I believe it might be a fiberglass. No, it's plastic. So yeah, should be fairly easy repair. We'll be back like nothing ever happened. Pull the car inside right now. We'll take the front bumper apart. We'll do a quick repair, spray the bumper, put it back together, and send it on its way. So enough of this talk. Let's pull the car inside and get to work. So I got the keys. Let's pull this inside and start working on it. I love those doors. That's one thing I love, the suicide doors. And then you push the button. Boom, closed. Fire in the hole. Beautiful car overall. Got the roly-poly in the shop, so now we'll start removing the bumper and repairing it. I'll show you guys every step of the way how to repair the bumper the proper way. You gotta remove the bumper, and there's gonna be tons of screws everywhere, so that's gonna be fun. Gotta remove this, and then the bumper should slide out. And we'll patch this up, we'll heat it up, make it as straight as possible, patch it up, and a little bit of bondo, and good to go. So let the fun begin. So in order to get to the bumper bolts, you got to remove the top cover for the grill, and the bolts are heading underneath. So let me show you. The grill pretty much just clips in, and then it holds by 4 screws on top, and then clips, and then here's the bolt that holds the bumper. So you got to remove this, and bolts up here, and bunch of bolts at the bottom. So then you could remove the bumper. So careful not to break it, and I usually like to tape everything so I don't scratch any paint on the car or the grill. So let's continue removing the bumper. So I just removed the bumper. Went pretty easy. It took me, what, 45 minutes to remove the bumper. So let's go look at the bumper and see the damage. And I'm gonna explain to you exactly what I'm gonna do. So yeah, not too bad. Just gonna heat this up real good. Make it straight as possible, patch it up from behind, and I think before I do that, I'm gonna remove this bracket, fog light bracket, so I could really get in here and make like a solid, nice patch, and then I'll glue this bracket back together, because see, it's all glued up, melted. So we're gonna repair this the proper way so it'll never crack once I'm done with it. So let's start removing all the grills and all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. Stripped the bumper completely, so now we're ready to repair it. Let me show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna heat this area up real good, straighten everything, make sure it's nice and straight. Now use a plastic welder, weld everything together, and then put a patch from behind. a little progress report. So I used that special gun to melt the bumper in, so I patched everything up. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. So yeah, bumper is all together now, looking good, pretty straight for the most part. And let's see the other side. The other side, same thing, so I patched it up. So now I'm gonna sand this down so I have a nice grip, and then I'm gonna put a patch in the back. And we're ready for bondo. But now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this yellow mesh tape to patch it up from behind. So I'll cut strips and patch it up with this, and then I'm gonna use this 4240, the best glue ever. It's a plastic repair glue, so it's gonna be hard as a rock. So yeah, we'll patch it up and should be good. Applied the glue, so I'm gonna let it chill for an hour or so, and then we could start working. It should be hard as a rock within the next hour or so. Let's take a look. So yeah, I hooked it up. So once that dries up, we should be good. That is it, my friends. Everything is completely dry. 2 hours later, let's take a look. I wish you guys could feel it, but it's part of the bumper now, so hard as a rock, so it'll never crack. So now we could repair this, put a little bit of bondo. What do you think, bud?
Incredible.
Incredible.
Saved them like $6,000.
That's an $8,000 bumper, so we
600 or something.
So like it would be 10 grand. So we saved them a lot of money. So everything is straight.
Labor.
So I'll make my line up here. So right now I'll just sand everything down to the plastic, get rid of all the paint, so this way we have a nice grip on the bondo, on the bumper. So yeah, something like that, slowly coming together. Love what you do. Check it out, nice and straight. So yeah, we got rid of the paint, so now the bondo is gonna stick real good to this plastic, and we're gonna be using a special bondo for that, plastic bondo for the bumpers and stuff. So let me show you. And I'll be using this body filler, flexible for plastics and stuff like that, so it works the best. So we're done with the first layer, and let me show you how it looks. So everything looks pretty straight for the most part, just a couple pinholes right here. So we're gonna apply one more layer, and we're done, ready for primer. So I applied second layer of bondo, so everything is dry, looking good. So we're gonna sand this down and it's ready for primer. Check it out. So yeah, everything looks good, nice and straight. So yeah, I'll sand this down, make my line good, and we're ready for primer. Let's go. That is it, guys. We're officially finished with the bumper and ready for primer. Let's take a look. Boom, look at this. Everything came out good, like nothing ever happened. So yeah, we're ready for primer and paint. Let's go. So the bumper got primered yesterday and ready to go. So today we'll start prepping the bumper and painting it. Perfect. And then I got my line running perfectly straight. So yeah, super happy with this repair. So we could start prepping and spraying it. That is it. Bumper is all painted and ready to go. Let's take a closer look. Oh, look at this. What happened? Nothing happened. It looks original. Wow, came out beautiful. Super happy. Now we could start installing the bumper and getting the car ready for a wash and detail and ready for delivery. Let's go. So just put the bumper together, so now we could install it on the car. Let's take a look, check this out. All the grills, fog lights, everything installed, so we're good to go. We're done with the front end. Man, came out perfect, like nothing ever happened. We got Mr. Johnny in the house. He's gonna wash and detail the car before delivery. So this thing's gonna look like brand new. Can I make this thing look like brand new again?
Brand new, my friend.
That's what we like to hear. Guys, roly-poly is officially finished, washed, detailed, and ready to go. We're gonna call the customer, let them know the car is ready. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!